I will never forget the moment we entered the village. It was like moving from one kind of reality into another, and I docked. Yeah, so what I am just docked into what the village was, and the overwhelming, you know, I was overwhelmed by emotions. I remember for me, it was a mix of almost every emotion, but really profound was the kind of the pain I felt of this removal of what I am from what I am, and yet the respect, the admiration, the wonderment of something that was removed from me a very long time ago, but has maintained what it is, which is what I am, without any real connection to me. It's just kept the knowledge and the spirit of what I am is just here. You understand? The loss of myself, but also it's amazing. It's like the loss of myself, but also the the finding or the existence of myself. I can't be lost. That's what I remember thinking. We can't be destroyed. I can't be destroyed. I can never be lost, you know, because that's what the village symbolized for me.